Hi everyone, welcome back to another mukbang. Today I am back with bulgogi. So actually this is kind of like a different cut. I think like you're meant to grill it, but I decided to make like a bulgogi dish out of it. I didn't add much. I added some onions and I'm going to top it up with green onions for extra color.
Ame? Come on. No? Yummy.
I kind of like my green onions like a little crispy than too soggy for these kind of dishes. But this was pretty marinated, so I didn't really get to taste it, but it's pretty good.
Did you like the way I...
No, I didn't.
No? Yeah, because you didn't say anything.
And this is my mom's
spaghetti.
No, but yeah, my mom. It's my mom's Korean style pancake. It's all vegetables. There's no meat in here. It's actually pretty good. And then of course some, wraps and cucumber. Should we cheers?
To a cucumber? Okay, sure.
Cheers. Stop! Look at him. He's like, Dad, that's too much. And then we also have this sour kimchi soup. Kimchi broth. Look, I actually haven't had vegetables like this in a while.
It's good.
There's wasabi on the... Okay, I'll go for it. I don't know if you guys ever saw this wasabi sauce. Oh my gosh. It'll rock your world.
It's meant to eat it with the meat.
It's actually kind of sweet. It's not too spicy.
Bulgogi. Bulgogi.
And this is actually honeycomb bulgogi, I think, because they...
Add honey?
No, it's honeycomb.
They
so if you look
made
at it, they kind of like made that honeycomb cut. 좋습니다. Fun.
I like this. Delicious.
그냥 하던 대로 잡아. 동상 되게 불편해.
You're silly. Crispy onion.
Oh, wasabi in there. You want some?
Little bit. Thank you. Oh. Oh my.
Two hands.
Alright. Salud.
진짜 맛있다.
진짜. B, C.
You could add like mushrooms, glass noodles, and even rice cake to make a bigger dish out of it.
This wasabi is dope. Finally, it's 80 degrees outside.
Is that it? Is it?
It's the highest 80.
Really? No way.
Yeah.
진짜. This, I'm gonna ask my mom
this.
to make more. It pairs so well with any kind of like stir fry.
Just goes down like clean, or what do you say?
It's like coleslaw with fried chicken.
I like coleslaw.
맛있어. 자기 잘 위기됐네.
Yeah, I flipped it too. I was so shocked.
Soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
맛있어. 진짜 맛있어요.
The sauce is sweet.
It's sweet and spicy. I actually discovered this because of camping.
Right on. I tried to make that summer bath this summer, or I guess it's too late. You're supposed to have a summer bath, right?
I don't think I have a summer bath.
No, that's not what I'm saying.
You know what? I feel like we're not really a beach person though. Or like we're not pool people.
What? Pool? Oh,
Like, you know, like you kind of like try to get fit for like the bikini and like all that. I don't really like going to the pool that much. Or going to the beach.
I mean, the only thing I like is trying out bikinis, but that's about it.
Is that why mine are all stretched out?
Oh, honey, don't blame me.
The meat is definitely thicker. Pickle bulgogi you would think of.
It's usually brisket. Or it's different.
I think so.
For me, like, if you like the sauce, just put it on anything. Right? You can marinate chicken.
This is almost like, I think if you put this sauce on chicken, it'll be like chicken teriyaki.
Gotcha. Chicken teriyaki.
So stupid. So when we were coming back from the road trip, we tried to do like as much driving as possible because we just want to be home. And we played this stupid game where we just think of an object and we just decided we have to guess what it is.
How's that stupid? It's fun. It's a game.
It's a very simple game. Throughout the trip, he will sing this song called Chicken Teriyaki. Is there even a song? He just kept saying chicken teriyaki. So that's what I thought of. And then, like, you know, he had to guess what it is. And he couldn't guess it. I'm like, you said it the entire trip. And then he didn't guess what it was. And I was laughing so hard. I'm like, how do you not know? And I gave him the hint, like, you said it every day, almost every day.
I did. Throughout the trip.
I was like, it's Japanese food. I don't know.
Oh. It's gonna be the longest ever that we've been separated together.
Oh, yeah. You're leaving me. Because when we started dating, it was long distance relationship.
For a short time.
No, a few months at least.
I know. For a short time, you were at Urbana.
Yeah, at least like 5-6 months.
Oh, hello.
I don't even think we were apart for a week.
Yeah, for like 10 years.
Yeah. Now, he's gonna be gone for 3 weeks. Like, I'm obviously sad.
I'm not bad.
Okay. But it'll be an experience for us. Right?
Mm-hmm. I just love it too.
Are you excited to be away from me?
Yeah, baby. You're going with me.
Nice.
To zero cloud. Aren't you like a cloud? You should be a cloud. No, I'm a cloud. I could tell you play with water. Mm-hmm. Did you enjoy water? Yes. Yes. Is there potato in there?
No. It's so cute. Why are you so cute? Huh? I don't know why you're so cute. Hey, if you're ever gonna talk, now's the time.
That'll be sick. Do it. Just do it. Just.
Said mama. Oh, you just don't do them to embarrass.
Just do it. Just. Cause you know when you're not around, he talks to me.
Oh, because when you're not, he talks to me. He's like, what a piece of shit you are. He's like, he farts all night.
Oh my gosh, he was saying the same thing about you.
Hey, pick a side.
He's like, I saw her levitate.
It's like, I
Freaked out, but she was just farting. Right, baby? Mm-hmm.
Excuse me?
Excuse her.
You don't have to talk for on camera. It's okay. We know you talk. So.
Mm-hmm. It seems
You're
like
old
only
enough.
time we talk is to talk shit about us.
You?
You.
I'm like, you just don't like us, huh?
Get sometimes. When you give me cookie, I love you.